Hi guys, welcome to TechTime channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off restricted mode in YouTube. So let's go to YouTube first. Then you'll find here on top right corner profile icon. Click on this. Then scroll down and you'll find here one thing, which is this one, restricted mode, which is off. If you want to turn this on, click on this and your restricted mode is now turned on if you activate this toggle. Okay, restricted mode is on. Now if you want to turn off the restricted mode, what you're going to do again, go here and click on this mode and just activate restricted mode, which is should be like this, and your restricted mode is turned off now. If you want to check this, you can do this here, profile icon, and you can see here restricted mode off. Okay, so guys, this is how you can turn on and off restriction mode on YouTube. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.